Imagine a world where every note of music sparks joy and curiosity in the hearts of children. A place where melodies and rhythms come to life, inspiring young minds to explore, dream, and create. Welcome to the enchanting universe of Kids Learning Faceless Music Channel, where we're on an incredible journey to revolutionize the way children engage with music. Through the magic of AI, we're not just creating kids' musical videos using AI. We're creating an immersive experience where kids from 3 to 15 can embark on a musical adventure like no other. Dive into the world of how to create kids' musical videos using AI and unlock the secrets to crafting captivating kids' educational videos and entertaining content that resonates with the rhythm of young hearts. Without further delay, let's get started. The initial step involves obtaining song lyrics. Before we create the kid songs, it's essential to understand their theme. The first requirement is that the song should be educational. This means the kid's educational song should aim to educate children. There's a wide range of topics we can teach children about, such as their daily routines, names of fruits, alphabet letters, English rhymes, animals, and birds, to name a few. The possibilities are endless. In this Kids Learning Video AI, we'll focus on birds. Moving on to ChatGPT, once you arrive here, simply type in, "Give me a list of 5 beautiful birds that children adore very much," and then press the Enter key. Here's our result. Now we need to craft song lyrics incorporating the names of these birds. Simply request ChatGPT to format it into a song suitable for children, making it enjoyable and highly engaging. Here's what we find. ChatGPT impressively generates complete song lyrics for us. Create animated videos using ChatGPT. Next, we'll request image prompts to create the music video. Type in, "I will make an educational animated video for Kids Learning AI with this song. Could you please provide scene-by-scene image prompts for the music video?" And here's the result we get. You'll notice that ChatGPT can generate image prompts for us, as I'm utilizing ChatGPT 3.5. Please proceed with creating images following the provided prompts. It can produce images for us. If you're using the free version of ChatGPT 3.5, you're able to generate a multitude of images at no cost. You also have the option to regenerate images in ChatGPT. There's no need to worry. I'll also introduce another method for creating images using free AI tools. Alright, our song lyrics and image prompts are ready. Now, let's move to the next step, song generation. Copy the song lyrics and paste them into a document file. Remove any indicators for verses and choruses. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for Suno AI. After seeing the search results, click on the first link, which will take you to the Suno AI webpage. From there, click on Make a Song. This will direct you to the relevant page. Click on Sign Up from this page. You can continue with Google or another account after creating your account. Once the account is set up, click on the Create button. This will take you to the Song Creator page. Here, you have the option to enter your prompt to create a complete song, but since we already have the lyrics, switch to Custom mode. Now copy the song lyrics from your document file and paste them into the lyrics box. After that, enter the desired music style. If you're unsure about which music style to choose, you can ask ChatGPT for advice. To determine the best music style for your song, you can prompt with the following request. What music style will best suit the creation of this song? After receiving a recommendation, copy one of the suggested music style names and paste it into the music style box. Next, enter the title of your song. For simplicity, I'm just using Bird as the title. Once everything is set up, click the Create button. The song generation process may take a bit of time. Let's skip ahead to when the process is complete. Suno AI generates 2 songs for us. Now, let's listen to them one after the other.
In the heart of the jungle where the trees touch the sky lives a bird with colors that dazzle the eye. Hello, I'm a parrot, he says with a grin, mimicking your words with a chuckle and spin. Beautiful birds flying so high, colorful wings soaring through the sky. Listen to their songs, watch them play in this magical world every single day. In the heart of the jungle where the trees touch the sky lives a bird with colors that dazzle the eye. Hello, a grin, mimicking your words with a chuckle and spin. Beautiful birds flying so high, colorful wings soaring through the sky. Listen to their songs, watch them play in this magical world.
If the first song seems perfect for our needs, proceed to download it by clicking on the three-dot menu and then selecting Download as Audio. When you opt to download it as a video, it will display as shown here, accompanied only by some background music and the lyrics visible to your right. We don't need the video format. Alright, our song is ready. Now, it's time to create the visuals. To generate images, I'll use Leonardo AI. After arriving at the Leonardo AI dashboard, click on the Image Generator option. Remove any existing prompt, then select the Fine-Tune model. For this project 3D cartoon video with AI, I'll choose the 3D animation style. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then, return to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Paste this prompt into the prompt box and press the Generate button. Here are your images. If the images don't meet your expectations, you have the option to regenerate them. To download the images, click on the download icon. I recommend downloading all of the images. After generating the first image, copy the prompt for the second scene and repeat the process to generate and download images for this scene to your device. Continue this method to create images for all the prompts. How to create free animated videos for YouTube. Now that we have generated the images, we will transform them into a video. To do this, I will use a free animation generator AI tool called Pika Labs. Pika Labs recently released its latest version, Pika 1.0. Once you're on the Pika Labs website, create an account using your Google account. After setting up your account, you'll land on the homepage for how to make an animated cartoon video. Now click on the attachment icon and upload the first image. Following the upload, you can add the image prompt as the video prompt. Then, press the Generate button to create your AI animation video. Once the video is ready, click on the download icon to save it to your device. Repeat this process to generate and download videos for all of your images. Now that our AI cartoon videos are ready, the next step is to compile them into the final video using a video editor. For this task, I'll use the CapCut video editor. If you don't already have CapCut installed on your system, you can utilize their online version. Once you've opened the CapCut video editor, import all of the video clips and the song into the media bin. First, place the song onto the timeline, followed by adding the video clips in ascending order. After arranging them, synchronize the videos with the song by adjusting their speed. To do this, select a video, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and select using your mouse cursor. Then, navigate to the Speed tab, where you can set the duration and time to match the audio. If you notice the Pika Labs logo on the video and prefer it not to be visible, simply select the video again with your mouse. Increase the scale to around 112%. This enlarges the video slightly. Next, click on the screen to adjust the frame and position it in such a way that the logo is hidden from view. After aligning and adjusting your video clips, you might want to enhance the visual appeal by adding effects and transitions. I'll select the Leak 1-inch effect and drag it to cover the entire duration of the video, meaning from start to end. Once everything is in place, click on the Export button. Rendering the video may take some time. Before we preview the final video, there's one last thing I want to share. If you encounter any difficulties while creating the video, don't hesitate to leave a comment or send me a direct message. I'm here to assist you in making money with AI. How to create a faceless YouTube Kids channel. Here's a professional tip for you. If you're truly committed to succeeding in this field, take your work seriously and dedicate the necessary time to it. Aim to create at least 30 comprehensive videos before launching your channel. Be sure to check out our detailed lo-fi video, which serves as an extensive tutorial on creating a monetization faceless channel. It thoroughly explains how to select a brand name, optimize titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags for SEO, and align with YouTube's algorithm to boost visibility and engagement before your video goes live. If you found this video helpful, please express your support by liking it. Your encouragement means a lot to us and fuels our passion to produce more valuable content. If you're looking forward to more informative tutorials like this one, consider subscribing to our channel. Enjoy the video.
In play in this magical world every single day.
If you're interested in how to create faceless health and fitness monetization channel, I tried YouTube automation. Click on the left. If you want to watch how to create best faceless animated crime stories YouTube channel using free AI tools. In 15 minutes, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.